Hello, class of 2029 newly admitted students and their families. My name is Mr. Falgaris, and I'm the Director of Technology at St. Rose High School. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make an appointment with your guidance counselor or with one of our guidance counselors for your freshman course selections. So let's get started. You're going to return to the Genesis registration portal, which is where you went to complete the formal registration paperwork. That URL is www.srhsnj.com/register. It's going to take you right back to the screen. This is a better experience on your computer, but you can also do it from your mobile device. So from this screen, it's just a security question. It's asking you to choose the shape or animal that you will see come up on the screen. So I'm going to do that. And then it's going to take me here where I can either create a new account or log in to an existing account. So everyone who registered, they needed to create an account to complete that process. It's basically your email and a password. We don't know that password. Hopefully you do. If you don't know that password, you can do a reset password button. If you do know your password and your email that you use to log in, you're going to click login to existing account, and then this screen will pop up. So I went ahead and put in an email, put in the password, and I'm going to click login. And if your username and password is correct, it's going to bring you right into the registration portal. And right here on this screen, you're going to see on the left where it says appointments, and you'll see that that does not have a green check mark. If you do not see this little window here on the left, that means that your screen might be like on a mobile device, for example. And if that's the case, you can just click the little hot dog. It's like 3 lines that are on top of each other, and that will expand the menu up here on the side. So you want to click appointments, and that will take you to the appointment screen. And then you're just going to read through this information. And towards the bottom, you're going to see some choices of what type of appointment you can book. So if you are a student that's currently attending St. Rose Grammar School, there's an additional day on Friday, February 21st. And then you can see that the 3 guidance counselors are listed here by your last name. So you can see the last name A through F is Mrs. McLean. And if you're a St. Rose Grammar School student and you, as a parent, can attend on that Friday, you could click that location. If you go to any other sending school, whether it's public or one of the private schools, you can find your guidance counselor up here at the top. Now, you don't need to click your guidance counselor if they're not available, or if they're not available on the time that you can go. You can certainly choose one of the other counselors for the course selection process. But I'm going to choose this guidance counselor up here, A through F, and that's for Saturday, February 22nd, or the March appointment date. And I'm going to look down here, and I'm going to see that the calendar lights up on the day that there is an appointment. So that's the 22nd. So I'm going to click that. It's going to show me all the available appointments. I'm going to pick the one that I want. And then it's going to say, are you sure you want to create an appointment? And once you hit OK, you'll get an email confirmation, and your appointment is then confirmed. Obviously, if there's any changes, you can log back in here and modify the appointment at any time. But that's how you make your appointment for the course selection process. Now, if there are no appointment slots available, then you could go back and choose one of the other dates, or you can go back and choose one of the other locations, for example, by choosing another counselor. Of course, if you have any questions, reach out to Mrs. Tallarico in the admissions office, and she'll be happy to put you in touch with us, and we'll guide you further. But thank you again for choosing St. Rose High School, and we look forward to welcoming you at various activities and events for newly admitted students, and then we'll see you over the summer for our new family orientation. Take care.